Want to know if you can finally dominate in Warzone with keyboard and mouse? Let's find out. Step 1. Precision aiming. Mice allow for much finer control than controller joysticks, letting you dial in those headshots with pinpoint accuracy. Big mouse pads are recommended to ensure you never run out of room. Step 2. Recoil control becomes significantly easier. Mouse movements offer a more natural and responsive way to counteract weapon kick. Practice is still key, but the learning curve is noticeably less steep. Step 3. Advanced movement techniques open up. Slide canceling, bunny hopping, and precise strafing become much more fluid and intuitive on keyboard and mouse. Expect to outmaneuver controller players with ease. Step 4. Full customization at your fingertips. Keyboard and mouse allow for fully customizable keybinds for every single action in the game. Optimize your setup to your preferred playstyle and maximize efficiency. Step 5. Faster inventory management and quick looting. Navigating menus and equipping items is noticeably faster with dedicated keys and mouse clicks, giving you a crucial advantage in those chaotic early game encounters. So, is Warzone easier on keyboard and mouse? The answer is yes. The enhanced precision, control, movement, and customization provides a definite edge, and once you master it, you'll see a massive improvement in your gameplay. Now get out there and dominate.